Titus & Sons Mini Dumpster Service in Chesterton, Indiana, provides efficient and reliable dumpster rental services. With a commitment to meeting the waste disposal needs of residential and commercial clients, our company aims to streamline the debris removal process. Whether you're undertaking a home renovation, decluttering, or managing a construction project, Titus & Sons Mini Dumpster Service offers a range of dumpster sizes to accommodate various requirements. Contact us at 219-488-4191 for all your dumpster rental inquiries and bookings. Our dedicated team is ready to assist you in selecting the right dumpster size and arranging timely deliveries and pickups. Explore the pricing of our services and request a quote by visiting our website at www.nwidumpsters.com. At Titus & Sons Mini Dumpster Service, we take pride in delivering prompt and reliable services, ensuring our clients a hassle-free waste management experience. Titus & Sons Mini Dumpster Service understands the importance of a clean and organized space during your projects. Our goal is to provide not just a dumpster but a convenient solution that fits your needs. From our location in Chesterton, Indiana, we extend our services to the surrounding areas, offering a local and accessible option for efficient waste disposal. Trust Titus & Sons Mini Dumpster Service to be your reliable partner in maintaining a clutter-free and organized environment for your projects.